splash, 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 splash. Ooh, splash, splash, splash. Baby shark is playing around. Come on, friends, don't delay. Let's wash our hands today in the ocean school so bright. Baby shark feels something not right. All the fish are feeling slow. Why are germs everywhere you go? Teacher shark says, oh, oh no. Dirty hands are causing woe. Shoo, shoo, germs, go away. Crab and fish are sneezing loud. No more play in happy crowd. Baby shark says, I know what to do. We need clean hands, me and you. But wait, water tap is dry. What can we do? Oh my, my. Oh no, what's the plan? Boo, boo, boo. Baby shark finds magic soap. Don't worry, friends, there is hope. He rubs his hands left and right. Suddenly germs take a flight. Rub, 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 soap so fun. Germs are running one by one. Water comes back, splash, splash, splash. Now it's time for hand wash bash. Fish start dancing, crab does spin. Clean hands party, let's begin. Baby shark leads with cheer. Clean hands magic is here. La la la, dance with me. Healthy, happy family. Baby shark, solve the day. Germs all ran far away. Clap, 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 jump and play. Clean hands happy every day. Splash, 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 splash. Splash, splash, splash. Splash, 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 splash. Splash, splash, splash. Clap, 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 jump and play. Clean hands happy every day. Clap, 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 jump and play. Clean hands happy every day. Ring! School is here! But wait, what do we see here? Baby steps in, oh so small. Is this school for me at all? Baby walks in, sleepy slow. Sees a lion, say hello. Teacher all says take a seat. Baby waves with tiny feet. Oops, oops, what's going on? Something here feels kinda wrong. Roar and meow and bark around. Baby hears so many sounds. Dog says woof, baby laughs. Cat is writing on the math. Monkey jumps on classroom desk. Is this school or jungle fest? Baby claps, I like this place. But paint is on his tiny face. Learn, learn, what a mix. Animals doing funny tricks. School is wild, not so neat. Everyone is on their feet. Elephant rings the school bell loud. Birds are flying through the crowd. Frog is hopping on the chair. Teacher, what is happening there? Baby says I'm learning too. But he's drawing on his shoe. Oops, oops, silly day. Learning in a crazy way. Books are flying left and right. Birds are flying left and right. What a funny school delight. Teacher all looks very wise. Baby, you're a sweet surprise. This is animal school fun. But your school has just begun. Baby smiles, I love you all. Even if I came by fall. Clap, clap, lesson done. Learning here is full of fun. Roar and chirp and bark so loud. Animal school makes us proud. Teacher says let's help you go to your human school, you know. Animals wave goodbye with cheer. Come back anytime next year. Baby waves, I'll miss you all. Tripping slightly in the hall. Bye bye, what a day. Funny school in every way. Mistake turned into fun. Best school day for everyone. Ring, 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 school is done. Baby had so much fun. Sing and clap and don't What's that sound? Wow. Hungry cow is on the ground. Crunchy munchy, here she comes, eating everything. Yum, yum, yum. Hungry cow sees apple red. Yummy snack, she goes ahead. Crunch, crunch, oh so fast. Apple disappeared at last. Moo, moo, moo. Choo, choo, choo. What else is she gonna do? Farm is shaking left and right. Cow is eating day and night. Next she sees a big green hat. Is that food? I eat that. Chomp, chomp. Hat is gone. Farmer shouts, what is wrong? Moo, 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 munching fun. Cow is faster than a run. Everything she sees nearby disappears before our eyes. Cow eats carrots, Toot eats a shoe, even eats a toy or two. Jumping fence, she takes a bite. Oh no, that's not food, alright? Moo, 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 what a mess. Cow is causing pure distress. Crunch and munch and never stop. Everything goes pop, pop, pop. Farmer brings a giant cake. Stop right there, for goodness sake. But cow says, yummy treat, and swallows it in one big eat. But moo, moo, oh my wow. Cow is eating cake right now. Sprinkles flying in the air. Cow is munching everywhere. Farmer laughs, okay my friend. Maybe eating must now end. Cow just smiles and says moo, moo. I just love to munch, it's true. Moo, 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 moo. Slow it down. Don't eat everything around. Happy cow now takes a break. No more giant food mistake. Moo, 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 choo, choo, choo. Hungry cow is done with food. Clap your hands and sing along. Cow is part of funny song. Wow! Roar, roar, it's party time. Dino sings a happy rhyme. Birthday cake is big and bright, so let's have fun all day and night. 5 little dinos at the party are clapping hands and feeling hearty. One big dino took a bite. Oops, the cake went flying right. Oh no! Cake disaster! Fix it quick, go faster, faster! 4 little dinos looking sad, Chad. That big bite was really bad. Cake is messy on the floor. What can we do? We need some more. Don't worry, dinos, it's okay. Let's clean up and start the play. We can still have fun. Yes, let's share what's left. 3 little dinos grab some cream. Hot fun, let's rebuild the birthday dream. One dino slip, oh what a scene. Cream went splat on the screen. Oh no, sticky party fun. Clean it up, job not done. 2 little dinos fixing fast. Now this cake disaster won't last. They add some berries, red and sweet, but now the cake is looking neat. Oh, build it up, make it right. Birthday cake is shining bright. One little dino proud and glad. His birthday turned from good to bad, but friends all helped and smiled so wide. Where now they dance side by side. Cake is ready, candles glow. Happy dinos in a row. Make a wish, they all shout. Birthday joy all around. We need a plan. Hide it? No, let's clean up. Good idea. Wow! 5 little monsters were riding on a bus. One jumped off and They played musical chairs. Oh, what fun! One skeleton sat, but he had no bum. He fell right through with the bony crash. All the skeletons laughed. Clack, clack, clash. Blow the candles, puff, puff, puff. Skeleton tried, but he had no cheeks to puff. He used his bony fingers instead. Candles went out, yay, 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 he said.
Funny action part.
Shake your head.